In this lesson, we want to go into megascan, quixel megascan library that has tons of 3D model material and decal. Here are 4 main categories: 3D assets, 3D plans, surface, and decals. In the 3D assets, we have lots of categories, other categories like building. In a building, we have lots of other categories. As you can see, you can go into them. Just you have to wait for load the model, and you can download them and use them by clicking and dragging. Just you have to log in your account in Epic Game, and you can download all of them free. As you can see, we have lots of high quality 3D model that you can use. If you have see this issue, you have to click material pickle and click on it. I will teach you in next lesson, but in setting you can turn on two-sided material to fix this issue. As you can see, there are 3D scan high detail model. You can easily use them. Railing. Some of them has, as you can see, has subfolder. You can modular use them and build your own railing system. As you can see, there is lots of high quality railing here. All kind of doors, very high quality door are here. Clicking and dragging, as you can see, and lots of category of walls. Just waiting for load. Going back in the building, in the 3D asset, all kind of food, fruit. Please search all of this category to understand and know all of these models, and keep in your mind to use later in your project. As you can see, we have the several mushroom that you can separate it in a container and use them separately. All vegetables, you can use all of them and download. Okay, going back in the building to the asset historical. As you can see, historical asset. There are tons of 3D model here. The Roman Empire. As you can see, there's lots of. You can build your own environment with this model. Wild West. As you can see, we have lots of model, beautiful model here. Nature, we have rocks, everything is here. We have a variety of natures, snow. Just waiting for load. Street. We have a lot of categories of streets, as you can see. So search all of these categories. Okay, 3D assets. Going back to 3D plants, all about vegetations, all grass. For example, in the garden plan, you can click and drag. As you can see, we have a container that contain all of these bushes. You can use them. They are high quality, and like other plants in the previous lessons, you can change size. I already teach you in the previous lesson. Please refer to them. You can change the tint color or turn off or on or off winds. You can see very high quality plant. There are containers that you can use them separately in your project. And lots of 3D plants here. Just waiting for load. As you can see, you can download them. Very large. And the surface. In the surface, we have lots of material. Lots of high quality material about, for example, metal, wood, everything here. As you can see, very high quality material you can use in your project. If just waiting for load, it depends on your internet speed. As you can see, we have lots of high quality material about metal, wood, for example. As you can see, you can use them in project. We will teach you the material in a next lessons. Waiting for that lessons in the future. And the wood, going back, fabric, all kind of fabric we have here. As you can see, for example, pattern, fabric. Very nice and beautiful. And all kind of grass, sand, lots of roofing, new, old. You can use them. Just you have to search this huge library to keep in your mind. In the decal, we have the decals. You can use them in your project. For example, this wood decal, you project on your 3Ds asset. For example, tree, as you can see. You can use them on your project. These are all about decal. That will teach you next in the previous lessons. For example, street, sidewalk. There are, for example, like a 3D. There are bump map. There have bump map. You can use on your other 3D assets. For example, this. Just waiting for download. Complete. This circle here. And when it's done, you can click and drag it. Okay. Just waiting for object creation. And here it is. It is beautiful 3D. You can use it. You can click and drag on other 3D assets, as you can see. Very easy. You can use all decal. This setting will be I teach these settings and decal in the previous lessons. You can refer to them. But if you want to decal project collector, you can higher number of offset. As you can see, it's project correctly and lots of decal on other 3D assets. You can put them or project them on other 3D assets and use them. For example, other decal, wood, cage, stamp. Just search and use them. For example, here you can use this, the cage here, download it and use, for example, this part of wall. First download and click and drag. You can easily click and drag on other 3D assets. Where is it? You can here. Okay, you can use it. here. As you can see, it's a decal. Just change the offset to project correctly on a wall. Oh no, it is bad. First, click and drag it on a surface and then bring it here. Okay, you can use all of this, for example, this leakage on your 3D asset as a decal. Okay, this is quixel megascan. This is very beautiful, exciting 3D model decal software and vegetation. Just please search this library, huge library, and use in your project to more quality. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.